We're at Sema and we're in the hotel and it's just carnage here. This is the first time in Vegas and it's tiring. I think we've been here like 3 days, well I have, but it feels like 8 years. Just look at how we go from our room into something like this. You have to press a lift and you have to go down about 60 lifts to get down to the reception.
And you got lost on the way back from the gym.
Yeah, it feels like you're inside all the time at sea, because even when you're outside, you're surrounded by buildings, which makes it feel like you're inside. Okay, first lift in, then we go down to the lobby. Out of one lift.
Down if you try and go into it.
Down through here. Look at it. But it makes it look like you're outside because of the clouds, but you're not. It's fake.
All fake news.
Fake news. Down to the corridor. There's outside, but looks inside. But it is actually outside, but it looks inside. Look at this. It's nuts. Next lift. Yeah.
That one.
Boom.
Casino.
Out the lift. Into the car park. We're gonna get an Uber to the show, and hopefully from watching this second channel video, you'll kind of get a feel what it's actually like going to Sema. But yeah, my car's made it here. You'll see on the main channel that it didn't quite make it here the way I planned on making it here. And we're kind of stuck here as well, but you'll see all that on the main channel. Into the car park. Hello. Here we are. We made it. We made it. Oh, it's me and Hannah, my dad and Matt have gone to pick up the rental car, which again you'll see in another video because that was another ordeal. But now we're going in. Let's check it out. We're going to Stradman's car first because we watched him. We've not met him, but we're going to. I spoke to him. We're going to meet up some point, and I know he hasn't got it started, so it'd be interesting to find out why it doesn't start. Yeah. That looks sick. Sick. I want to see the wheels. I want to see the wheels. Yeah, look at the wheels. They look sick. that is actually Batman's car. I wonder why it doesn't start though.
Look at the intake. The size.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my god.
That's mad.
I could sit in that.
The wheels look well good. Yeah, they look sick. Next stop, the GT3.
And I've only just realised that I've not seen it.
Yeah, Hannah hasn't actually seen it finished, but with the bronze wheels on. Freddie's done a little bit of extra bits and bobs at it, PPF. It's clean, and I think it's got a few stickers on. But yeah, we need to find it. Hannah hasn't actually seen it, and it'd be good for all of us to see it again. And it's going to be sad to see it actually because, yeah, it's gone. If you've been watching the second channel, you know I sold it to Freddie. Where the hell is it?
I mean, there's massive trucks everywhere, so you're not going to be able to see it.
Where is it? Oh, she comes. There she is. Oh, it looks so clean. There she is. What a car. Oh. We did a lot of miles in that seat.
It's like the one that got away.
It looks so clean. It looks really clean. And then look. I've been selling Freddie and MA. Sick. And the exhaust is still on. Emotional times. What a car. Right, now we're at TJ's car. I've never met TJ in my life, but now it feels like we know each other for years because it's like Inception, but he's got a weird accent.
We're like twins.
Please give everyone your English accent.
Welcome back to today's Sema 2023 video where we're gonna go around and meet our friends. and I'm gonna take a wicked piss at them.
Yes,
that was great. That was great.
It's absolutely terrible.
Cheers.
But TJ's built this M4 on his channel. You guys have probably already seen it because I can see what you guys watch, and it's TJ as well. This is unreal. and it's absolutely fantastic.
That was like blood to my ears.
It was like, yeah.
But it is like Inception. It's like a parallel universe. All the guys from the shop who've worked on this are like replicas. Even my cameraman. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this.
They are the same person. Two cameramans, same haircut, same t-shirt, just different. I don't know.
Accents, that's it.
Different accents.
That's it.
That is it.
Different accents.
The car's unreal. I feel like it's less about the car in this video. We're just walking around talking rubbish, and yeah, this is absolutely mental. The colour is sensational. British Racing Green, is that what it's actually called?
British Racing Green, yes.
Yeah, TJ's been chopping up stuff since the dawn of day. BRZs, which aren't BRZs over in our place, the Toyota GT86s, and they. But yeah, I like what you do. I'm glad to have you on the channel. It's
Yeah, dude.
good
I'm stoked to
inception.
finally meet you.
Yeah.
I like we've been a lot of like our whole shop watches you guys' vlogs. So like it's cool to meet you guys, and it's like Inception. And I'm stoked you're here.
Yeah.
I need to go over there more. You come to the States often.
Yeah, you should come over to us and realise how crap it is in the UK.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Then
bad.
why are you guys there?
Yeah, I know. I do want to come over. I don't know. I think. Where's my missus?
Yeah.
Where's Hannah? Yeah. Yeah, she
Why
won't
not?
move.
I love our country.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, I can't really argue
And
that.
we've got a dog that. Yeah. Kevin the
Dogs
dog.
can't come to the United
This
States.
is what I said.
I'm not moving.
That's why.
All right.
That's why.
Fair enough. We respect the misses.
But thanks for coming on the channel. Now, I think maybe we'll go to the RS6.
Let's go RS6.
Let's go RS6. The RS6 has actually made it here, but there is a small issue with it. But we'll go through that. We'll go for that for now. TJ and the guys are coming to absolutely roast it.
Wow, this is rad.
So first thing, we did it in a month. So
you can't prep it. I don't want to hear it.
as well. So it was smashed up. We rebuilt it. We did it in a month. So we've not painted it. We just wrapped it. Got the kit on. Got it here. Guess you guys don't get these over here.
No.
I love these personally, but we don't get them.
Okay. What about the splitter? Have you seen the front splitter? Is it big enough?
Oh wow.
Whose kit is
square.
this?
So it's called Darwin Pro, the kit. It was I think I only seen one other guy, that John Olsen, who's got it. But we opened this splitter and was like, oh my god. But yeah, this is just like bolted on. We've had to put stuff on. Like it's not chassis mounted, so
It's single layer.
yeah, and it's single layer. So if this hits anything, it's game over.
It's exploded.
It is fully game over. We got this bolted on, done, and then was like, do not touch anything.
What is it? The side airing down the doors. That is so.
It's like a bunch of
I've never seen door canards before.
Door arrow. Door arrow.
Arrow. And even this.
What does it go?
I mean,
Cooling. Wow, look how gnarly.
Does it
that
matter?
is.
Does it really matter?
it's I mean, it's a lot. But it's
Says the guy with a G3 kit.
All right.
It's a
No,
lot.
I mean,
It's a little much for me.
So it's kind of like I have a soft spot because we don't have these here.
Yeah.
Because we don't have them, we like them. So like, I love the car. I love the wagon. The arrows, it's a lot.
Whoa.
Okay, there's a story with this as well. So we fitted. What did we fit first? I think I fitted this side, and then we fitted this side.
Multiple pieces.
Yeah, and then we realised that these were meant to touch that, but we've already drilled the holes out and was like, we do not have touch. So now there's a gap between these, but it is what it is. But the best thing is, we was like, well, is anyone going to know? We was like, well, there's not going to be another one of these parts next to it with the correct fitment. So this is how it's meant to be.
Okay.
It's meant to be like this. Oh yeah, again.
Is this a real license plate?
Yeah, that's UK reg. Yeah, that's how we have them.
Why do you guys have
It's like
number
discovered.
plate?
Yeah, cool car, but
I like how cool the license plate is. That's sick.
Discovered the
I thought
UK
it was like
number
a
plate.
car show license plate. It's aggressive. It's
it's a different level of hot hatch.
Yeah. So, but
I like the fenders a lot.
Yeah,
This is cool. All this.
Yeah, so the kit, we thought it was going to be panel lines everywhere. You know when you buy a kit, it normally fits terrible.
Yeah.
But like this kit, it literally did just fit on, and it was like, do you know what? I'm fairly happy with that. We haven't had to do like any like mold into the chassis. or anything like that. We just put it on. That'll do. Get it to Sema, and then we'll go from there. But there's a small issue, but That'll be in the next video.
Oh, that issue. That's a small issue?
Yeah, a small issue.
Is it like this? Is it like this big of an issue?
It's around this big and around 8 cylinders big of an issue.
I like the like the livery scheme. That's what I really like a lot.
Do you know what's good about this? It drives like a stock car.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, it just drives like a stock car. You don't have to like fanny around with
It
like.
probably drives
hitting stuff.
amazing until it doesn't.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
That's it. I mean, the wheels. I mean, these are all. You got your initials on the wheels.
They're one of one.
yeah.
Wow.
Custom forged. Look. engraved in.
Wow, that's pretty fancy.
Yeah, we fancy. That's how we do it, with a cup of tea and the finger up.
Yeah, it's I guess I was gonna say it's about how you going, but that's not good, right? How you going's not good. How do you say?
How are you going?
How are you going?
It's
Right?
Australian.
That's an Australian thing.
What is that?
Oh, that's
It's
oh,
a
that's
different,
Australian.
Similar accent, different place.
Yeah, this is where his accents get confused.
Oh yeah, I'm I'm very well versed in all the different accents. So, yeah,
I think when we fix it, we're gonna come to your shop.
Fix what?
The small issue.
Oh, right.
The one that's like that big.
yeah,
That big, that issue. We're gonna come to the shop.
Okay.
Yeah? I think that's
I
it.
like it.
We don't have speed bumps, so you're fine.
It's the weirdest thing. It's on the right hand side. That's what's tripping me
The
out.
right side.
Don't you have a car with the
I
right
do,
side?
but I've never seen an Audi right-hand drive. It's always like old Japanese cars.
Yeah.
So it's weird. Aren't like right-hand drive like Murciélagos and Aventadors like a lot cheaper than left-hand drive ones?
Mine was 100 grand. So yeah. I know when they come over here, they're like, yeah, it's $500,000. I'm like,
Yeah, dude.
what?
Mercy is
I'm
400 grand minimum.
Yeah, we spoke to that Houston car with the rental car place over here. He's like, yeah, I've just fixed up DDs. It's like £750,000. How much? Like what?
Dude, I want to buy a right-hand drive Mercy.
Yeah, that's what I'm
it's like
saying.
half off.
So the one I've got, which is a 2002, it has to be 25 years to come over here to import it. But it's nearly 25 years. How many? Couple
3,
more
4
years.
years
2
away.
years.
2 or 3.
Oh,
2 3 years.
that's actually not that bad.
So then maybe, but
But at that point, the
Perhaps.
prices are going to go up.
yes, that's what
So
we
you got to
think.
buy it now and sit on it.
Yeah, that's what we think. Maybe you just buy it, get it over here, just sit it in the garage, and then wait until you can import it.
It's not a bad idea, honestly.
I know you want a Mercy, but yeah, because I've always wanted one, so they're wicked cars.
If you like cars, you've wanted one.
Yeah,
That's
100%. They're everything a car shouldn't be, but that's why it works.
Wait, is your dad here?
Yeah, where's my dad?
Yeah,
There's my
I
dad.
found him.
Dad.
Oh. Hey, Dad. Nice to meet you. Yeah, we like you more than your son. You're pretty awesome.
We all want to know what your first name is.
My first name?
Yeah.
I'll say it, but you gotta bleep it. Are you ready? You ready? It's
Darren, Derek, Peter.
no
That's
one
a really
knows.
strange name. It's so strange. Like it's like African or something.
Dude, it's I have a big lineage in Africa, so it comes from deep from there. Yeah.
There you go.
Let's-
Everyone knows now.
Yeah, let's go on a big secret.
That's a doppelganger.
TJ's dad.
I'm your dad.
That's him.
Yeah.
So we have these two. We have these two, and then we
Oh,
have
the
these
dad.
Don't you think? Look, they're the same.
See from just
So that he films my videos.
yeah.
Look,
And he
Now
films
we're-
my-
look
they're
at
the
them.
same person.
Same dress up. Same
Okay.
haircut.
It's
And now
TJ's
watch
dad.
this. Now watch this.
Same person. So now if we stand you here, you stand over there. Yeah, same person.
What is happening? What is happening here? Oh
Yeah.
no, you've got hair! You've got hair! We need to go home. We need to go home. Apparently this is a street legal Super Trofeo. Cool. It'd be rude not to show Freddie's P1, although we may be visiting Freddie after this for reasons which you'll find out. Freddie's got, you guys have probably seen it, the new wrap. You all watch Freddie as I do, so you know exactly what's happened. This car was underwater. Now it's starting to look a lot better. The engine is pretty much exactly the same as my 720S. It looks exactly the same, apart from this one is going to be a lot faster than my 720S. He's actually painted all the rear frame, which is cool.
That is cool.
I thought about doing it to the 720S, but you can't see it when it's all on, so it's kind of like,
And we need to get it done by Christmas.
and we need to get it done by Christmas to prove Richard Hammond wrong. Oh, there's like a all this is carbon at the back. It's come up really clean, but that's what Freddie does, is like really particular and gets it like spot on. Like whereas we just like let's get it together, make the YouTube video.
That's why people say we were bodgers.
Yeah, top bodgers. But even like all these lines, I'm sure they're not gold, but maybe he's done them gold. But I definitely don't think they're gold like from standard. And Freddie's colour that is going. Can you see it? Oh, that looks actually crazy. It's like a reddy, almost Maserati colour, but with carbon and a little fleck of glitter.
So much better than your Maserati paint.
That's gonna look sick. Is it true? Is it you know, like the Weekend's car? Is that what it is like? Because he's got a P1.
The Weekend's got a P1.
Yeah. Let me check. Let me check. Hold on. There's Freddie.
That is Freddie.
That is Freddie.
He's got the same haircut and everything.
Look, that is Freddie, but he's gonna have a carbon P1 in the same sort of. That is literally Freddie.
So his P1 is better than the Weekend's
The
P1.
Weekends, yeah, he's absolutely shut down the Weekend. Right, calling the Weekend out. Freddie's got loads better car than you. Look at that, the French Montana.
Why is he always? Why is he always sitting on his car for?
Yeah, I know, yeah. So it's just going to be loads better than the Weekend's car. It's carbon, it's red, and Freddie built it. And here is TJ's Supra drift car. I think is it manual?
It should be.
He made manual.
Okay, that's good.
That is cool as anything. This like, what's it got written on it? A better engine isn't automatically going to make the car a better machine. England. But yeah, this TJ Supra, the Valvoline livery is absolutely nuts. And we've just done a deal with Valvoline, and I don't think there's any other UK guys done a deal with Valvoline. Have
No.
they? No, there's no. So we're going to be wrapping a car in a Valvoline livery, which is going to be sick. So what car should we wrap in Valvoline livery?
Murcielago.
No, not the Murcielago.
This is the fresh paint. We just cover it up with a Valvoline wrap.
Oh yeah. Just spend £10,000 on paint for the Murcielago, then we'll just wrap over it.
Yeah.
Logic.
Yeah.
Straight out the show, and straight into a drift car with 2,000 horsepower, and it's got 4 seats. So it's me, you, and my dad going in it.
I'm scared.
So thanks Valvoline for this. This is going to be an experience, and poo is going to fall out my bum. We're in. Everyone in.
We're in.
Okay. The Uber is looking very different.
Fully loaded Uber. Hey, like we got our party lights, little disco lights.
Yeah, disco 5-star review. That was unreal.
That was so sick.
That was so sick. What the hell? Okay guys, we just went shopping. We kept it real and we went Zara, bit upmarket, you know what I mean? And then we got this cool place, Shoe Palace, and we got some F1 merch and some socks because we're staying longer. Look at the absolute scenes we got here.
Big vibes.
We're like it's like a movie. It is like a movie, isn't it? Look, there's just screens everywhere. There's that sphere. I should be here. A sphere. And oh yeah, we've not had Danny in the vlog. This is Danny. This is Matt, the cameraman's girlfriend. So now she's in the vlog as well, doing shopping. Who knows where we're going to be in the next clip? Next clip. Action. We decided to take a helicopter ride through the Grand Canyon for the outro. How cool is this? Absolutely nuts. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but if you can, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this video. I guess we'll see you over on the main channel. Peace
Could
out.
be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma throw that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it.